You'll hear conversations like this in real life. But do you actually understand them? If you watch videos like this for just 10 to 15 minutes a day, your English will start to grow naturally.
Excuse me, I think this might be your seat.
Oh, really? Wait a second. Let me check my ticket again. It says 14A here.
Yes, that's correct. But this is actually 15A. You're one row behind.
Oh no. I didn't notice at all. I was so tired when I got on the plane, my head wasn't working.
Don't worry. It happens all the time. A lot of passengers get confused, especially on long flights.
Yeah. I guess I was just thinking about my bed at home.
That makes sense. Your seat is just one row ahead on the left, 14A by the window.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. You're really kind.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Have a comfortable flight.
Hi there. Welcome to our cafe. How are you doing today?
Hi. I'm okay, thanks. Just a bit tired after a long day at work. My feet are killing me.
Oh, I totally get that. We all have those days. Would you like something to wake you up, or do you need a few more minutes with the menu?
Yeah, I'd love a bit more time. Everything looks so good.
So, are you ready to order now, or do you still need a minute?
I think I'm ready. I was thinking about the chicken salad, but I'm not sure. What would you recommend?
That's actually a great choice. It's one of our most popular dishes. It comes with crispy chicken, avocado, and our special dressing. If you want something lighter, the salmon bowl is also really good today.
Oh wow, that sounds really good. I think I'll go with the chicken salad.
Perfect choice. You won't regret it. Would you like something to drink with that?
Just water for now, please. I'm trying to keep it simple today. No more coffee after 3 p.m.
That's a good idea. Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Got it. Your food should be ready in about 10 minutes. If you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you so much. You're really helpful.
Hi. Excuse me. Is the seat taken?
No, not at all. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you so much. It's really hard to find a free spot today. The cafe is packed.
Yeah. It gets really busy in the evenings, especially after work. People just come here to relax.
I can see that. By the way, I just moved here a few days ago, so everything still feels new and a bit confusing.
Oh, really? Welcome. Where did you move from?
From a small town in the west. It's very quiet there, so this city feels huge to me, almost like another country.
I can imagine. I moved here 3 years ago, and it took me a while to get used to the noise, the crowds, and the fast pace.
Exactly. But I like it so far. There's always something happening. Cafes, street music, markets. It's exciting.
That's true. You'll never get bored here. Have you tried the local food yet?
Not yet. I'm still exploring. Do you have any recommendations?
You should definitely try the pasta here. It's really good. Or the cheesecake for dessert.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I'll definitely try that.
No problem at all. If you want, I can show you some nice places around here sometime.
Thank you. That would be great. I'd really like that.